also shall dwell with the lamb, and the leopard shall lie down with the kid, and the calf, and the young lion, and the fatling together, and a little child shall lead them, and the cow and the bear shall feed. Their young ones shall lie down together, and the lion shall eat straw like the ox. And the sucking child shall play on the hole of the asp, and the weaned child shall put his hand on the cockatrice den. They shall not hurt nor destroy in all my holy mountain, for the earth shall be full of the knowledge of the Lord, as the waters cover the sea. And in that day there shall be a root of Jesse, which shall stand for an ensign of the people. To it shall the Gentiles seek, and his rest shall be glorious. The wolf also shall dwell with the lamb. The wolf. The wolf also shall dwell with the lamb. The wolf. The wolf also shall dwell with the lamb. The wolf. Young lion and fatling together. Lion shall eat straw like the ox.
I still believe that one day mankind will bow before the altars of God and be crowned triumphant over war and bloodshed, non-violent redemptive goodwill, proclaim the rule of the land. The lion and the lamb shall lie down together, and every man shall sit under his own vine and fig tree, and none shall be afraid. I still believe that we shall overcome. And the lion and the lamb shall lie down together, and the lion and the lamb shall lie down together, the lion and the lamb shall lie down together.
The wolf also shall dwell with the lamb. The wolf.
And the lion and the lamb shall lie down together.
The wolf also shall dwell with the lamb. The wolf.
The lion and the lamb shall lie down together.
The wolf.
Money people like us ain't got no chance at all. But it ain't always gonna be that way, James. It says so right in the Bible. The day will come when the lion will lay down with the lamb.
The wolf also shall dwell with the lamb.
Get up.
The wicked in the grave. There is going to be 1,000 years of perfect peace when the lion shall lay down with the lamb.
The wolf also shall dwell with the lamb.
The kingdom would be glorious. The lion would lie down with a lamb, and children could play in a snake pit, and the whole topography of
The wolf also shall dwell with the lamb.
Great and wonderful, and the lion lays down beside the lamb. The child can play with the snake.
The wolf also shall dwell with the lamb.
And the lion shall lie down with the lamb.
The wolf also shall dwell with the lamb.
It's like a mighty strength. In this faith we will be able to speed up the day when the lion and the lamb will lie down together, and every man will sit under his own.
The wolf
Will be tamed, and the lion shall lay down with the lamb.
The wolf.
And wolves will be tamed, and lions
where the lion will lie down with the lamb.
The wolf.
Lion, lion, lay down. Lion, lion, lay down. Lion, lion, lay down. Lay down with the lamb.
The wolf. The wolf.
One of these days, the lion will lie down with the lamb.
The wolf.
The wolf will be tamed, and the lion shall lay down by the lamb. Oh, yes.
The wolf.
Will be gentle, and the lamb will be tamed, and the lion will lie down with the lamb.
The wolf.